We are excited to welcome you to the all-new Gyro Mazda. Our new showroom and service facility is located at 139 Laird, directly across the street from our previous service building. When you arrive for service, you will experience our state-of-the-art service drive-thru. Entering from Laird Street, you will see the large service sign at the side of the building. As you approach one of the two large bay doors, look for the lights indicating either red or green. Once the green indicator is illuminated, move forward slowly until the door automatically opens. When the door is fully open, proceed into the service drive. You may notice the alignment checking technology as you enter. This scanning system collects a variety of information about your vehicle, which is instantaneously transmitted to your service advisor. You will be greeted by your service advisor, who will guide you through the remainder of your drive-thru experience. Following the brief check-in process, you will be directed towards the lounge areas. Enjoy a coffee and rest in one of several soft seating areas, or bring your computer and be productive. For those who wish to drop their vehicle off after hours, there is a drop box near the courtyard entrance. Simply fill out the available night form, drop your key fob in the secure box, and park in any available space. We look forward to welcoming you into our new facility. Drive in, relax, and make yourself at home.